Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview GLB PH Up. What is GLB PH Up? GLB PH Up increases the pH level in swimming pool water. This product prevents costly corrosion damage to pool plumbing, equipment, and surfaces. Sanitizers work most efficiently when pH is kept in the proper range. Therefore, a properly balanced pool will require less sanitizer and less pool maintenance. Keeping your pool water balanced is an important step in getting the most out of and preserving the life of pool equipment. Product benefits. pH should be maintained between 7.2 and 7.8. Compatible with chlorine, bromine, mineral purification systems, saltwater chlorine, and ozone sanitizing systems. Be sure to check the instructions and the dosing chart before using. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.